10 morning habits that help you lose weight. Drink a glass of water. 1 or 2 glasses of plain hydrogen monoxide before you eat breakfast may help you lose weight. Water has no calories, but it's satisfying and curbs your appetite. So you may not want to eat such a big breakfast afterward. It also stimulates your metabolism to help you burn calories. Work out before breakfast. Do some moderate exercise before you sit down to eat in the morning. Working out of an empty stomach can actually help you to get better results from exercise. Pre-breakfast sweet session can help you burn more of your body fat for fuel. Eat a high protein breakfast. This nutrition may help you lose weight because it makes you feel fuller longer after you eat. It's also harder for your body to store it as excess fat. Another perk of protein, your body uses more calories to break it down than it uses for carbs or fat. Go for protein-rich breakfast such as egg and turkey wedges on whole wheat toast. या गिर cloaked smoothie with peanut butter and berries. Make a meal plan for the day. Every morning, write up a quick list of what you will eat that day. Planning meals ahead of time can help you choose lower calories foods. If you have already decided what to eat for your daily snacks and meals, you may be less likely to reach for high calories convenience foods like fast food, burgers, or fries. Get some sun. Some sunlight on your skin can actually help you burn a little bit more body fat. Research showed that people who soak up a few rays in the morning tend to have a lower body mass index BMI. Yeah, lean a slimmer physique than people who step out in the sun later in the day. Use measuring cups and spoons. It's easy to supersize portions that pack more calories than you need without even knowing it. Keep measuring cups and spoons where you typically dish out breakfast. Measure food like cereal or milk before you place them in the bowl so you serve yourself the right amount. Practice mindfulness. Slow down and think about what you are eating. Appreciate the smell, look, and taste of even a simple breakfast. Don't watch TV or scroll through social media when you eat in the morning. Just breathe, relax, and enjoy a peaceful meal. This practice could help you eat less and lose weight. Use a juice glass. Most standard drinking glasses are far larger than a serving of juice. That makes it easy to consume more than you should. And many fruit juices have as much sugar in them as a can of soda. But they also have a lot of vitamins and minerals that are great for you as you start your day. To pour a more sensible portion, use a small juice glass. Add hot sauce to your eggs. The heat in spicy chili peppers may help you lose weight. Regularly eating capsaicinoids, the hot chemical in chili peppers, can reduce body fat, curb your appetite, and even boost your metabolism so you burn more fat all day. Spice up your morning omelette with decent hot peppers or two of hot sauce. Get enough shut eye. Too little sleep each night can fuel your appetite all day long, which can lead to weight gain. You may also be more likely to skip your workout if you pooped. Make sure you are catching enough every night, stick to a regular bedtime, and find ways to control your state so you can relax and snooze until it's time to get up.